Okay, we're on a job here this morning, and as you can see, I broke a turnbuckle on my tractor. It's supposed to look like this, and it looks like that. So, I'm in the field right now. I was able to get the new turnbuckle. So I'm gonna see if I can get this installed. So as you saw, to get this piece off, you have to slide this pin through. You can see there's a little cotter pin. So you want to push that, and the whole pin will slide that way, and that allows these plates to come off. Then you have a 22mm bolt here, and that's what holds this side in. So all you got to do is remove this bolt. There's a lock washer in there, and then we'll be able to attach this side on. I'm going to tighten this up to roughly where I think the sway is going to be correct, and then I can adjust it once I get my implement on. Pull this cotter pin. Okay, that's roughly where I want it. Now go ahead and put your pin back in. Should be good to go. Also, just wanted to show you guys, this part is not cheap. $194 for the part, and that's just for one side. I mean, as you can see, this side is not in the greatest shape either, but I'm actually going to save these two pieces, and I'll weld these just so I have this as a backup, so I don't end up in a position like I did yesterday where I broke this, and then by the time I was able to get the part, it was too late for me to continue working. So I'm going to save this, keep it in my spare parts bucket, and have it on hand for when I break the next one.